For a lot of people, windows are all about the look, and of course, that's important to us too at Byggmeister. However, we're thinking more holistically about the windows, about comfort, performance, efficiency, as well as aesthetics.
The challenge is to find the sweet spot. We chose Marvin triple-pane windows because they got us the performance that we needed, while also allowing us to match the aesthetics of the house. We use different light patterns throughout the house. We use 2/1 in the original house, 4/1 and 6/1 in the central portion, and there's even 8/8 with transom windows elsewhere. It's a way of telling the story of the house through its details, which is something that the homeowners really loved.
I'm standing in the dining room right now, which has a gorgeous bow window. It's one of this family's favorite places to enjoy a quiet meal as well as to entertain family and friends. This family loves to host gatherings. However, before the project, it was an uncomfortable area due to poor detailing around the windows as well as at the floor and the ceiling.
We were determined to include this as part of our project to make sure that the comfort matched the beauty and importance of this central part of the home.
So a lot of builders would just throw some bats in this area and move on, but that's not how Byggmeister works. We make sure to insulate and air seal all that exposed surface area. So this floor area right here, as well as the ceiling, and of course around the windows. That attention to detail is what ensures that this space is going to feel comfortable. Whether it is a dinner party or a weeknight meal, nobody sitting next to these windows is going to feel a draft. The space is going to be comfortable and consistent all year round.
A beautiful window that makes you feel cold isn't doing its job. We want the space to feel comfortable, but behind that, there's a lot of thought going into what's happening inside and outside of the walls.
This is what makes working with us different. Aesthetics and performance are part of the same conversation because both of those things matter to the people who are living here. For us, that's the essence of design build.